Once upon a fun, frosty December day, Barney hung a beautiful new Christmas wreath on the front door.
"There,"
he said happily.
"Now I'm all ready for Christmas."
"I'm not ready yet," said BJ. "I still have something important to do." "Me too," laughed Baby Bop. Back inside the house, BJ hung colorful pictures of stars and planets around his room. "Check it out," said BJ. "If I get a toy robot for Christmas, my room will be all ready." In her room, Baby Bop made a dollhouse out of a cardboard box. She even put her blankie inside to make it warm and cozy. "Look what I did," said Baby Bop. "If I get a baby doll for Christmas, my room will be all ready."
"Getting presents is a lot of fun,"
said Barney.
"but it's also very nice to give."
Then he smiled and said,
"And I've got a surprise to give you right now. We're all going to visit Santa Claus."
"How will we get there?" asked BJ. Barney replied,
"Just look outside."
"It's Santa's sleigh!" Baby Bop shouted happily. "And there are real reindeer!" The sleigh flew through the night sky, soaring high over houses, trees, and even mountains. "Whee!" laughed Baby Bop as she jingled the sleigh bells. "This is fun!" "Hey, look!" said BJ. "I see the North Pole."
"And I see my very good friend, Santa Claus,"
Barney said happily. Barney, BJ, and Baby Bop received a warm welcome from Santa and Mrs. Claus. Then they were taken on a tour of Santa's wonderful workshop.
"It's stupendous,"
laughed Barney. Everywhere they looked, BJ and Baby Bop saw happy elves working on toys.
"We're making more toys than usual this year,"
Santa said, with a smile,
"because so many boys and girls have been good."
In another part of Santa's workshop, elves wrapped toys in Christmas paper and tied them with a rainbow of ribbons. At the end of the tour, Santa settled into his favorite chair.
"Baby Bop,"
he asked,
"what is the one gift you like most for Christmas?"
Baby Bop thought and thought. "I know," she giggled. Then she whispered in Santa's ear. Next, Santa asked what gift BJ wanted most for Christmas. BJ thought about it and then whispered in Santa's other ear.
"Ho, ho, ho!"
Santa laughed.
"You've both made very good choices."
When their visit with Santa was over, Barney, BJ, and Baby Bop returned home. And just a few days later, it was Christmas morning. "Look," said Baby Bop. "We have presents from Santa."
"I'm sure they'll be very special,"
said Barney.
"Why don't you open yours first, Baby Bop?"
Baby Bop opened her present and held it up for everyone to see. "Wow," said BJ. "It's a toy robot, just like I wanted." "That's what I asked Santa for," Baby Bop giggled.
"Why did you ask for a toy robot?"
said Barney. Baby Bop smiled as she gave the toy robot to BJ. "So I could give it to my favorite brother," she said happily. Next, BJ opened his present and held it up for everyone to see. "Oh, look," said Baby Bop. "It's a baby doll, just like I wanted." "That's what I asked Santa for," laughed BJ.
"And why did you ask for a baby doll?"
Barney asked BJ with a smile. BJ put the cuddly baby doll into Baby Bop's arms. "So I could give it to my favorite sister," he said.
"You see,"
said Barney.
"it really is nice to give things to others."
And to prove it, Barney gave something very special to BJ and Baby Bop. A great big Christmas hug. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.